Hey, welcome to Bargain Bikes. We scored big today. We found a woman's cruiser. It's a really nice bike. It's a wildwood Huffy, and everything seems to be here. It's got awesome fenders, the chains on it. The rims are in good condition. Like, I was checking it out a minute ago, and seems to be really straight. Vintage Huffy seat. All the reflectors are here. Nice pedals with reflectors. Notice that it has a serial number on it. 26-inch rims. Love the vintage handlebars. Just everything here. The gooseneck and is pretty solid, and just seems like it hasn't been wore out like the bike in general. Like, it's got nice tires on it. Imagine this needs a little air. $14.99, you can't beat that. We got another one here. It's a men's 10-speed Scout all-terrain bike, and it's got a nice derailleur on it. It's a Suncore Hero, most of the parts. Gold rims, just a basic 10-speed. Nice pedals again. All the cables are here. The seat looks nice and springy. We're going to get these home. We're going to clean them up and get them ready for resale. But you can't beat $15 a piece. $30 total investment. That's what we like. Okay, so we came home and we unloaded them. And we aired up the tires on the Scout and the Wildwood Huffies. As you can see, they're both in really good condition. 26-inch tires on both bikes. One's a cruiser for a woman. You can see the frame dips down. And then you can tell this is a men's. It's got a straight across frame there. This one's a 10-speed, the men's. I love the gold rims on it. Both bikes are made in Dayton, Ohio. It even says on the front, it's Huffy Bicycles, Dayton, Ohio. We shined them up real nice, and you know, this is how you get them ready for resale. You get them, you know, to a rideable condition, and then you take pictures of them. And remember, we only have $15 a piece in these things, and you could just tell. Just the eye test would tell you that, you know, they're good bikes. And how I price bikes, vintage bikes like this, you can price them at like $149 a piece and work down. Somebody offered you $80 to $100. I mean, if you don't have any kind of emotional connection and you just want to make money, I mean, you can take anything you want for them, really. You're gonna do better than that $15 a piece. This one shifts gears really nice. I don't know if this is the original seat on this one, but it looks pretty comfortable. It's made in Taiwan. I doubt that the seats, well, I don't know. I think it could be. I've seen other ones with the same style, so it could be. That's the only thing I see that's kind of misplaced. The derailleur is like a Suncore Hero. Most of the parts are the follow in line with that, but I was pretty impressed that both these bikes had the reflectors and the seats were in pristine condition. I'm thinking this was a his and hers setup, and they both got dumped at the same time. But they're ready to go, and I just want to show that we are still finding $15 bikes, and we clean them up and get them going and move them all down the road here. So any questions or concerns, just let me know. And this is Bargain Bikes. If you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please subscribe. And off to find more bikes. Thanks for watching.